Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how you can achieve the perfect summer smoky eye paired with a bright coral lip. So if you want to know how you can achieve this summer ready makeup look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. For today's eye look, I'm using the Morphe 3502 eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the color on the top left corner with my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm taking a light amount of product and blending this into the crease. We're using this shade as our transition shade so we can prep the crease for the darker colors we're going to add later on. Next, I'm taking a shade that is slightly darker than the previous shade, and I'm still using my Sigma E40 brush to blend this into the crease. Next, I'll be taking a very dark warm tone brown and applying that on my eyelids. I'm using my MAC 224 to apply this. So I'm going in and applying it on the eyelids, then blending it up into the crease so the two crease shades can blend together nicely. Then after the darkest shade is applied, I'm just taking my blending brush, taking no extra product, and I'll be blending out the edges of the eyeshadow to make sure that nothing is too harsh and that it all looks very seamless. I was in the mood for winged eyeliners, so I'm taking my favorite eyeliner. This is the NYC liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to start off by mapping the wing, then connecting it back down to the lash line, then connecting it and finishing off the lash line. This is the easiest liquid liner to use, so if you're starting off with eyeliner, I definitely recommend this eyeliner. And then I'm going in with my favorite drugstore lashes. These are the Ardell Double Up Double Wispies. For the summertime, I love to have luminous skin, so I'm going in with the Milani Prime Light Foundation Primer to prep my skin for foundation. To even out my skin, I'm then going in with the Maybelline Dream Satin Foundation. Like I said, I love having dewy skin in the summertime, and this is a satin foundation, so it'll leave my skin looking not too luminous, but not too matte. So it's a good in between, and I will be pressing this into the skin using my damp beauty blender. To highlight the under eye area, I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Light, and I'm applying a good amount of this on the under eye area. I used this concealer when I first started doing makeup, and I ran out of it, didn't really pay attention to it. I just recently repurchased it, and it is probably my favorite concealer at the moment. It gives amazing coverage and highlights the under eye area so well. So I also went ahead and applied it on the other areas of my face where I wanted to bring some light, so that included the chin, the bridge of the nose, and the center of the forehead. As you guys know, in the summertime, the heat gets intense, so I want to make sure that our concealer doesn't crease, it doesn't melt, it doesn't move. So I'll be going in with my Airspun translucent face powder and applying this on the under eye area just to keep the concealer from slipping away in the harsh heat. Now, I'm not always very tan in the summertime, so I definitely need a little bit of help. I'm going in with my Chanel Universal Bronzer, and with my Sigma F40, I'm going to bronze up the cheekbones just to give me some life in my face because I'm so light, I need some color. To balance out the eyes, I'm going to work on the lower lash line since the top part is so smoky. I'm taking the first transition shade we used, and I'm going to blend that along the entire lower lash line. Then moving over to the darkest brown that we used, I'm using the same brush, but I'm focusing this dark brown on the outer portion of the lower lash line. And before I forget, I'm going to dust away all of the extra translucent powder. Pop and highlight always complements a bronzy face, so I'm going in with my Aurora Glow Kit, grabbing a clips on a Sigma F35 tapered highlighting brush. I'm going to apply this on the cheekbones. To complement our lip color, I wanted to use the Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso, and using a Real Techniques fluffy blush brush, I'm going to pop this onto the cheeks using a light hand with the blush. Milani's blushes are so pigmented, it does not take much product, so I took a little and tapped the brush onto the cheeks to add a nice flush of color. For the lip color today, I figured I would change it up. Instead of going for a red or a nude, I wanted to go with this beautiful coral lipstick that I got from Laura Geller. This is her anti-aging lipstick in the shade Tiger Lily. It's perfect for the spring and summertime, and I love how moisturizing the lipsticks are on the lips. To set the look in place, I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Setting Spray, and I'm going to mist this all over the face to set everything in place. And that concludes this summertime smoky eye makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you like seeing makeup tutorials, definitely leave a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy the videos. Make sure you check me out on all of my social media pages. I'll have them on this screen where you can follow me. I love you guys with all of my heart. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you so, so much. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.